problem. I think it's asking us again what is an angle bisector. I think we already explained before that an angle bisector is a line or a line segment that divides the angle into two equal parts. So angle bisector is our question number 16, a angle bisector. Let me try to do text mode. An angle bisector is a line or a line segment or ray. I think the laptop stopped responding. Oh, perfect. Angle bisector is a line or a line segment or a ray, but I don't really like the word ray because I also do some physics. And I guess I think you can call it ray, but I don't know why, but it just annoys me kind of. So I'll just call it a line or a line segment that divides an angle into two smaller equal angles. Or I guess just two equal angles is fine, because obviously if a line divides an angle into two parts, the two angles are going to be smaller. And let's just put it on the next line so that this stays on the same page. Cool. So this is what an angle bisector is. I'm just going to illustrate an example or a picture example so that you can see it more clearly. Okay, so say this is an angle bisector just divides this angle into two equal parts. Let me draw it again so it's better. Cool, now this part is more perfect. So basically, pretend this angle and that angle have the same value, or this line divides these two angles equally. I think it's pretty equal, at least from the naked eye, it's really equal. So in this case, this green line is just would be called an angle bisector, and that's what an angle bisector is. Okay, now let's look at the sample solution over here. Again, they had similar explanations, and they also stated some angle bisector theorem and equidistance theorem, which is quite obvious in my opinion, but you can look those up if you would like. I think the question only asked about angle bisectors. So yeah, that's what I explained. And let's just say great job. The extra information about the theorems can be really useful. So if you want, you can just like look those up later on our OneClass OneClass site. But the information here are very useful. Okay, let's just say the solution is correct. And let's move on to our next problem.